I'm Gifford Cochran, here to demonstrate the assembly of one of our high top bar tables. First of all, lay all of the pieces out on a soft surface. In your box, you should have a footrest, a tabletop, 2 legs, 3 wedges, and a mallet. Please note that the legs are slightly different. One has a slot, the other has 2 tabs. The piece with the slot needs to engage the undercut on the major recess in the bottom of the tabletop. So, then place the footrest on top of these slots so that you can place the leg into both of those and slide it over so that it engages the undercut. Then take the other leg piece, put it in place, make sure that it is fully engaged, lift the footrest up so that you can put these 2 wedges in place. Then, at this point, insert the wedge in the slot and using the small end of the mallet, jam it firmly in place. Flip the table over. Knock those 2 wedges in tightly, and you're finished.